Alright, so my car got stuck in reverse the other day on my way to the mall, and I watched a couple videos on YouTube and apparently it's a problem with the first gen from 90 to 93. What you have to do is to get under the car and take off the, I guess, the reverse switch and then put an Allen key in there and you'll hear a click. And the video I watched, I remember the guy's YouTube channel, you put it in this way and then you're gonna push the force that way, so it clicks and then it will get the gears back to the way they were. So I'm gonna attempt to do this and I'll let you guys know the outcome. Alright, so I fiddled around with it a little bit and I didn't hear it as hard of a click as the video, but I got back up and I moved it this way and it seems like it's back to normal. I pushed the clutch in and see if I can do this. Push the clutch in and shit. And it went back into fifth, reverse, third, second. So there's the fix.